I just tend to feel quite embarrassed when I see a Chevrolet Colorado. Those trucks are so lame that I just feel uncomfortable looking at one since those cars are so ugly. And another thing, Thurm2005 is so annoying for supporting Alonzo the worthless loser and having a Chevrolet Colorado, so because of it, I'm gonna destroy his Chevrolet Colorado because it's scrap. But how will I get there? Whatever, I don't care what Alonzo says, I'm getting my Beyond Logic back to get to Thurm2005's house.
Ah, it's such a nice day to have a break from school. I can't wait for Christmas, but for now, I will make dinner.
Alright, now I can throw rocks that I put in a garbage bag to Thurm's truck. I can't wait for his reaction.
Oh crap, what is going on? Skylar Dean, you just smashed my car. Now I have to repair it thanks to you. I am gonna call your mom for this crap.
No 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 no. Now I have to teleport to my house before it's too late.
Well Skylar, I just got finished with my call with Thurm2005 saying that you damaged his car. Because of that, you're grounded for the rest of the day, and your first car will be a 2015 GMC Canyon, which is based on the Chevrolet Colorado, but not really at the same time since Chevrolet and GMC are owned by General Motors, but that's for the future. And as for now, you're going to bed early.